لا اوكي انتوا جايبين لنا فرصه ضد نفسنا.
وانكي كيل، انا مش هسكت غير بوانكي كيل.
تعالوا.
خد يلا.
حتى قال لكم تيجوا ورانا يا ابن الدكه. حتى قال لكم تيجوا ورانا.
جيب لهم مدغشقر حتى اللي كنت تيجي ورانا.
شيل وراهم شيل وراهم
قدامنا كده.
هما بيموتوا اوفر دامج وبناخدش كيلات كتيره، خلي بالك.
يعني نضرب واحد واحد.
مش عارف
ايه نضرب واحد برضه بريزن يعني مش فاهم.
بس
مش ماشي.
ده فارم يا عم، ده فارم، ده بيرس بعض.
كده يا جدعان، شيل ده رصوا بعض الجروب لسه يا جدعان. فارم اهو، فارم يا حلال يلا. ما بنلاقوش ده، الله يخرب بيتكم.
So alone, this sorrow takes a hold. Don't leave me so cold. Your touch used to be so kind. Your touch used to give me life. I've waited all this time. I've wasted so much time. Don't leave me alone, 'cause I barely see it all. Don't leave me alone. I'm falling in the black, slipping through the cracks, falling to the depths. Can I ever go back? Dreaming of the way it used to be. Can you hear me? Falling in the black, slipping through the cracks, falling to the depths. Can I ever go back? Falling inside the black, falling inside the black. You are my source of strength. I've traded everything that I love for this one thing. Don't leave me here like this. Can't hear me scream from the abyss. And now I wish for you my desire. Don't leave me alone, 'cause I barely see it all. Don't leave me alone. I'm Boy, I got the juice with it. I got it right now. Every time I'm in it, lights out. Yeah, you know I got the juice with it. Hell yeah, it's going down. Shorty, throw it up and bring that ass around. Girl, I know these niggas be talking crazy. Talking that shit, but they still on safety. I hit the bank and I'm back to skating. I hit that bitch in the butt. Yeah, look at the drip, it's okay to be nosy. I'm on the purple, it feel like I'm Kobe. Shorty be telling a friend that she know me. I hit it low-key, yo. So many stars, I don't need a stylist. Phone be jumping, I don't even dial it. Keep it 100, you niggas ain't valid. I put the money wherever my mouth is. Bag talk, be switching my palette. Yeah, count it. Do you wanna party? Cause it's wild inside of my head. I ain't saying sorry, no saying sorry. Cause I like to wake up like a rock star. Baby, you wanna fuck with a rock star. She said, I'm going off right now, yeah, how about you? You know I got the motherfucking juice.
Open me up and discover the end. I wouldn't bother, don't fight the mother. She was birthed you and you she can. Nothing could hide me. No one deserves me. I am not free, I cannot be every battle ends in defeat. Seduction, thinking that you have control over me. When you discover I take no order, only see victims to battle and beat. No one could stop me, try to unboard me. Open and see, you could be free. Every battle ends in defeat.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. And maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself for miles. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Baby, I'm so what you trying to do to me? a little bit of light, trying to find my heart. Funny when I break out a lifestyle dark. Honey when I write, get a tight flow spark. What a psycho chart, playing dice, go start. Oh, who are you? Better know yourself, know your soul, gotta know your wealth. Slow your roll, get a hold, don't melt, and don't you fall when I feel like hell. Well, who am I? Am I and me? I'm not the one you wanna fuck with. Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. Writing, trying to get myself a lamb color cuss for the game. Leave him hanging by his chain, click bang. Feeling rage, feeling fire in my brain, feel insane. And the story, feel the flame. 45 to my brain, praying for it, please help. No glory. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. Fighting, trying to get myself a lamb-colored custard.
Remember, I used to be that kid that every day would get rejected. Y'all got my story, the glory was painted on the song. I'm mortified but feel immortal. This pen to this paper always open up different portals. It's I and me, it's me and I'm by myself. I'm down the ride, I'm taking on the tide. Size of tsunamis touching the sky. I got a quick scan, it's time to move. Leaving everything else behind, I got something to prove. I'm just riding away, no I ain't running away. I got memories set, oh I'm just finding my place where I belong to. Really glory in my soul. Hey, I'm riding away, I'm finding my place. Yeah, I gotta escape, that's what I gotta do. See you on the other side, see you on the other side, see you on the other side. We all know.
What's your definition of success? I don't trust the thoughts that come inside my head. I don't trust this thing that beats inside my chest. Who I am and who I wanna be cannot connect. Why? Don't think I deserve it, you get no respect. I just made a couple mils, still not impressed. Let you down goes triple platinum, yeah, okay, I guess. Smile for a moment, then these questions starting to fill my head, not again. I push away the people that I love the most, why? I don't want no one to know I'm vulnerable, why? That makes me feel weak and so uncomfortable, why? Stop asking me questions, I just wanna feel alive until I die. This isn't ace flow, just let me rhyme, I'm in disguise. I'm a busy person, got no time for lies. One of a kind, they don't see it, I pull out their eyes. I'm on a rise, I've been doing this for most my life with no advice. Take my chances, I just roll the dice, do what I like. As a kid I was afraid of highs, put that aside. Now I'm here and they look so surprised, well so am I. Whoa! They don't invite me to the parties but I still arrive. Kick down the door and then I go inside. Give off that I do not belong here vibe. Then take the keys right off the counter and let's go for a ride. Why do y'all look mortified? I keep to myself, they think I'm sorta shy. Organized, Let You Down's the only song you've heard of, well then you're behind. Story time, wish that I could think like Big Sean does, but I just can't decide if I should stick my knife inside a Pennywise. I don't care what anybody else thinks, lies. I do not need nobody to help me, lies. I kinda feel guilty cause I'm wealthy, why? I don't understand, it's got me questioning like why? Just tell me why, not back to this flow inside. I feel divided, back when I ain't had a dime, but had is ever good enough. I could be working for 24 hours a day and think I never did enough. My life is a movie, but there ain't no telling what you gonna see in my cinema. I wanna be great, but I get in the way of myself and I think about everything that I can never be. Why do I do it though? Hey, yeah. Why you always looking aggravated? Not a choice, you know I had to make it. When they talk about the greatest, they gon' probably never put us in a conversation. Like something, then I gotta take it. Write something, then I might erase it. I love it, then I really hate it. What's the problem, Nathan? I don't know. I know I like to preach to always be yourself, but my emotions make me feel like I am someone else. Me and pride have made a pact that we don't need no help, which feels like I'm at war inside myself, but I forgot the shells. I hold my issues up for all to see like show and tell. A lot of people know me, but not a lot know me well. Hold my issues up for all to see like show and tell. A lot of people know me, but they don't know me well.
Hercules Beats.
shadows, all that I crave turns to dust. Drag me down into the deep. There are secrets to keep. I've done dark things. It's these long days in the quiet, and it's a long way to the grave. Drag me down into the deep. There are secrets to keep. I've done dark things. I've done dark things. Drag me down to the deep. There are secrets to keep. I've done dark things. I can't silence my addiction. I've done dark things. I've done dark things. I've done dark things. I've done dark things. I've done dark things.
It's 5 a.m. Ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst. I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. An overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying. I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me. Fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose. A reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed that I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top then. Like a frat kid haze just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, put me in the game when there's only seconds left. When the game's on the line, yeah, you see me at my best. I can feel it in my heart when it's beating at my chest. That's when I lock in, getting better every breath. That's when I'm all in, I can handle any threat. I ain't never second guess, I know I could be the best. Let me tell you what I know about life. Yeah, the more that you push and the more that you fight is the more that you learn. What you got deep inside is the more that you learn. And you'll find out why. It wasn't ever that cool to be a try-hard, but all the cool kids didn't make it that far. It doesn't take education, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must win. Try me in a race, I'ma dust them. If the money hot and tell them I'ma bust in. I don't understand, hate all the fussing. Get a job, get a life, go do something. It's 5 a.m., ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst, I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Just think I'm losing all my friends. An overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this, I feel so torn and shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding. I want your best, so when I win, you're defeated. Go ahead, think that my kindness is weakness. I'll use that naiveness. I got a disease and it's choking and squeezing me. I cannot sleep till I get what I'm seeking. Need every dream in my mind be completed. I live for competing. It gives me a reason to live, a reason to get up again and again, a reason to wake